Saline cook here. Pan-fried salmon fillet with vegetables makes a light yet filling meal. Add some grocery store gnocchi to make it complete. All in one pan. Let's cook. So the hero ingredient is a 6-ounce piece of steelhead salmon fillet, skin on for added flavor. Spice that up with garlic powder, black pepper, paprika, oregano, and let that infuse for a minute while we cut up the veggies. Now the veggies, we're looking for color and the taste. A quarter red bell pepper cut into large pieces, please like, comment, and subscribe. Asparagus in large pieces. The yellow zucchini because I like the color. And a red onion for color and its sweet taste. And an afterthought, 4 ounces of grocery store gnocchi. It's good fried. Some oil into the pan. Add the onions. The asparagus, the zucchini, and the pepper. And finally, the gnocchi. seasoned with more of the same spices. And let that fry for about 3 minutes. Now, make room for the salmon, a bit more oil, skin side down for the first 2 minutes. Flip over, another minute. And serve with a lemon wedge. Enjoy! So a nice complement of flavors in one pan. The ingredients: 6-ounce salmon fillet, 1 zucchini, 8 asparagus spears, 1 red onion, 1/4 red pepper, 4-ounce gnocchi, garlic powder, oregano, paprika, black pepper.